what's going on, wealth builders? Man, I can tell you, it's that time of the month where your boy is getting ready to start making his crypto and stock purchases. And tonight, in this video, I'm going to be purchasing some cryptocurrencies on my Gemini platform. And I can tell you right now, there's a lot of people that's kind of sad. The crypto market has been taking huge, massive hits lately, but I'm actually excited. Why? Because the market is low and I am able to purchase and buy at the dip, baby. I mean, I want to buy low and sell high. And I can tell you, I'm not going to be making large purchases, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute, but I am going to put a little bit of money into my crypto portfolio on my Gemini platform. Hey, welcome to Points Plain Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about saving. We talk about investing. We talk about investing on a budget and everything personal finance. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Also, make sure you do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and check out my Patreon link down in the description below. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, here we are in Coinbase. I'm going to be using two different websites. So I'm going to be using Coinbase.com to show you the performance of the cryptocurrencies that I'm going to be purchasing tonight. And I'm also going to be in Gemini.com because I am going to be adding to my positions on Gemini. And I can tell you, I'm going to buy a few different cryptocurrencies tonight. Again, I'm not spending a lot of money. Why? Because we're investing on a budget. And I want to show the everyday person what it's like to actually only take 10, 15, 5, 25, $30 and actually still be able to invest. Anyway, let me jump down into it. The first token that I'm going to be purchasing is Terra, ticker symbol Luna, L-U-N-A. And as you can see, it's currently trading at $63.35. For the day, it is down 4.84%. For the week, it's down 17.96%. For the month, it's down 34.9%. But here's the key. Where I'm getting ready to go next is the key. And yes, a lot of people are tripping. A lot of people are worried. Man, I'm losing my money. I'm losing this big amount of money that I've made in the last year in 2021. But I'm not tripping because right now it's time for me to scoop up some more, baby. But look here, in the last year, Terra or Luna, ticker symbol Luna, is up 7,213.17%. I'll be honest with you, I'm not really worried about what it's done in the past month. The whole market is down. The stocks are down. The crypto's down. Everything's down. I'm not worried about what it's done in the last week or what it did today. I'm looking at the long term, baby, the long term. We're going to buy low and we're going to sell high. So anyway, let me jump over into Gemini. And as you can see, I currently have $1.77. I'm about to say point. I'm so caught up in percent. I'm ready to buy. I'm just saying anything. But then I look over here and in my entire portfolio, I currently have in this portfolio probably a little over $473. Today I'm up 0.16%. I'm not really tripping off that. For the week, let's see, am I up, am I down? For the week, I'm down 9.15%. And for the month, I'm down 19%. I've only had this portfolio maybe a little over a month, but I'm not worried about that because I'm going to keep purchasing. I'm going to keep purchasing and add to this portfolio. So anyway, I'm going to go over to earn because I am earning 4.52% interest on my Terra or my Luna tokens. I currently have 1.07 tokens in this wallet. I'm going to go over to earn real quick. I'm going to buy once and I'm going to invest $25. Again, we're investing on a budget, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not trying to sit in here and show off and show out. I want to show the average person how you really don't need a lot of money, yet you can be in the crypto game. So here I am. I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to hit continue. It's going to let me know I have $75, so I'm going to probably buy 3 tokens total. I'm going to get 4.52%. I'm going to $23.51. I'm going to get 0.362 Luna tokens. There's a purchase fee of $1.49, which I can't stand, but hey, I'm doing what I got to do. Total $25. I'm going to click confirm. Your buy order is complete. Done. We're good to go. So now I'm going to look at the next token. And the next token, I'm going to go back to Coinbase. The next token that I'm looking at purchasing is going to be, let me go over the prices because I'm going to search it here, is going to be Mana or Decentraland. So I could type it in. I just typed a symbol, and I want to keep saying, hey, I need everybody to start trying to learn these symbols. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to type Decentraland. But look, I mean, I don't even know how to spell Decentraland. I do, but what if you don't? What if you don't? But I'm going to, and then I don't even have to finish. It pops up down here, but if I know the symbol, M-A-N-A, that's a lot quicker. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I'm loving what I'm seeing here. The price is $2.06. It wasn't long ago I was spending over $3 for Decentraland or ticker symbol Mana. Now it's $2.06. It's up 2.79% today. Wish I would have did this yesterday. Who knows where it was. It's down 28.41% in the last week. And this is what I was waiting on, y'all. This is what I was waiting on. I was waiting to catch these different tokens at the dip. And this is only my Gemini account. I'm going to be doing several other videos in the next few days on all my different crypto accounts. And I need to hurry up because I want to take advantage of this sale that's going on right now. A lot of people are crying, but I'm over here smiling, baby. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, the last month, it's down 42%. It's almost down half price. I consider this the half off sale or the half price sale or the BOGO sale. I'm buying one, getting one free since it's almost down 42%. And with the metaverse, Decentraland is centered around the metaverse. With the metaverse in the state it's in right now, this here is just a situation of the entire crypto market. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, everything's down. So I'm not tripping. But in the last year, it's up 45%. I'll take 45% any day. I mean, if I was putting my money in the bank, I was going to get 0.000045 cents. So I'm good to go. I'm going to go over here to Gemini Earn. I'm going to scroll down here a little bit. There's Decentraland. I'm getting 1.25% interest. Not a lot, but most of the places that I look for Decentraland, they're not giving you anything. So I'm cool with 1.25%. I currently have 15.56 Mana tokens worth about $32. Again, I'm invested on a budget. I'm not trying to get rich here. No, I'm not trying to get rich ever. I want to become wealthy. Rich people go broke. Wealthy people maintain their wealth. Anyway, let me go to Earn. Once I'm buying new crypto, it's $2.07, getting 1.25% APY. I'm going to spend another $25. I'm going to click continue. That is going to give me probably 11.369 Luna tokens, 23.51. I got that $1.49 fee. I'm going to click confirm. It's done. My order is complete. It is complete. Now, if you notice, I have 26 Luna tokens. I have 1.43 Luna tokens, and I'm sorry, 26.93 Mana tokens. I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Now, for the last one we're going to do, I'm going to go back to prices. And I got to buy a little bit more of a cryptocurrency that I did in my last video, and that is the Phantom token, ticker symbol FTM. So I'm going to go ahead and just type Phantom for the sake of the video, F-A-N, and it pops up. Notice there's a lot of other stuff. That's why I like to know the symbols. FS, Phantom Starter, I don't even know what that is. Anyway, let's look and see what it's doing. It's up 2.12% today. Kind of like Mana, and for the week, it's down 25.48%, man. So it's starting to recover, but it hasn't recovered. So now I want to buy while it's recovering. So what I got to do here, and I'm going to go to 1 month. It's up 3.29. It's the only one that hasn't lost in a month, and that's why I did the video of crypto to watch, which was Mana, because out of all the other ones, and those are heavy hitters. Decentraland's a heavy hitter. Terra Luna's a heavy hitter, and this is the only one that hasn't. It's not in the red. It hasn't lost money in the entire month. But in the last year, it's up 4,188.81%, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I don't even know if I can calculate interest going that high. I'm being real with y'all. So what I'm going to do is go over to Gemini. I'm going to scroll. I don't have to scroll down because there's Phantom right there. I get 2.66% interest on this. I have 16.245 Phantom tokens, value $36.52. I'm going to go to earn. I'm going to put another $25 in here. I got to make sure this is how often once. It probably will have multiple times. Like, well, let's just see. Daily, weekly. I don't want to do that. Now, I could, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to click continue. 2.66% interest. I'm getting 10.38 Phantom tokens with this $25. $1.49 fees. Investing $23.51. Click confirm. Your buy order is complete. And there it is. We're done. We're done. Matter of fact, since we're done, let me click me back over here. And y'all bear with me while I get this how I like it. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. It's that simple. It's that simple where I just took $75 and I purchased some crypto. To some people, that's not a lot. To people that watch this video, they may say, man, are you serious? But yes, I'm serious. Because there are so many people out there that have this perception, this myth that you have to have a lot of money to purchase crypto. I was one of those people. When I first heard about Bitcoin, and it was at the time about $600, $700, I thought I needed $700 to buy one coin or one token, and that wasn't the case. I'm able to use a little bit of money and start investing for my future. Generational wealth, baby. So do me a favor. Let me know. What do you think of the purchases I just made? We bought a little bit of Terra, ticker symbol Luna. We bought a little bit of Decentraland, ticker symbol Mana. And we bought a little bit of Phantom, ticker symbol FTM. Tell me, were those good choices? Would you have gotten something different? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, make sure you do me a favor. Check out my Patreon group, description down in the link. If you're not already done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms, baby. Share it with your cousin. Share it with your aunt, your uncle. I don't care who you share it with. Just share it with someone. And as I always say, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I will be coming at you soon, dropping even more heat, even more fire, even more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.